Morning everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Prathamesh Deepak Swami. Today is 15 August 2024. At first, I wish you many happy Independence Day. Day we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. This day is most important day. Independence Day is national festival of our country. We got independence 15 August 1947 in British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighters, their life, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, his life of our independence country. Our country is the non-nation is a powerful country. Our country is the largest democracy in the world. We host our national flag. We sing in national anthem. We are very lucky. We live in